Imagine waking up every day feeling stuck, scrolling through life, watching others succeed while you stay the same. You think, tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow never comes. What if I told you, just one small decision could change everything? Ali was just like millions of people. He woke up late, rushed to get ready, skipped breakfast, and checked his phone before even standing up. He went to work or college, sat quietly, did only what was required, and waited for the day to end. At night, he told himself, tomorrow, I'll start improving. But tomorrow always looked exactly like today. This wasn't laziness. This was routine slowly killing his dreams. One evening, after coming home tired, he sat on his bed scrolling through social media. Someone his age got promoted. Another started a business. Someone else cleared an exam. He put the phone down and looked around his small room. Same walls, same problems, same excuses. And he thought, if I keep living like this, what will really change? That question stayed with him all night. The next morning, nothing felt magical. He still felt tired, still felt lazy, still felt unsure. But instead of scrolling his phone in bed, he made one small decision. He got up 15 minutes earlier. That was it. No big goals, no motivation speech, just 15 minutes. In those 15 minutes, he read 2 pages of a book, or revised one topic, or went for a short walk, or learned one new skill online. Some days he did it badly. Some days he wanted to skip, but he didn't, because it was small, and small felt possible. After a few weeks, waking up early felt normal, studying felt less painful, discipline felt lighter. He still watched TV, still used social media, still had bad days, but now, every day had one win. That one win started changing how he saw himself. I'm not lazy, I'm just learning. Because of that small decision, he prepared a little better for exams, spoke up once in meetings, applied for one extra job, saved a little money, ate slightly healthier. Nothing dramatic, but everything was different. The result: realistic success. Months later, results appeared. Better exam scores, a new job opportunity, more confidence, less fear of failure. People said, "You've changed." But they didn't see the early mornings, the boring days, the small decisions repeated daily. Message of the story: if you're waiting for motivation, look at your daily routine. Change one small thing. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Read one page. Walk instead of scrolling. Apply for one opportunity. Practice for 10 minutes. That's how real life changes. Not overnight, not with luck, but with one small decision, repeated every day. And if you make that decision today, your future will quietly start changing tomorrow. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting stories like this video and leave a comment. Thank you.